I need you to get used to something. Get used to hearing the term hybrid, because going forward, we're neither going back to normal nor remaining in lockdown. Instead, we're headed for a hybrid world where stay-at-home habits have some staying power, but you also have the ability to go out and do things. We saw it again today, even as the action was pretty sedate. Dow advancing 16 points, S&P gaining 0.15%, NASDAQ declining 0.07%. Everybody's been playing this guessing game on Wall Street, where we try to figure out what consumers will do once they're fully vaccinated. I've been telling you this game is futile. You have to stick with the stocks that win either way. I want to double down on that now with some insights about what can work here and what's too risky. For example, as much as I like the cruise lines, you know that, the CDC sure doesn't have much patience for them, and that makes it tough to recommend their stocks after this remarkable run. As much as I love Domino's, banana peppers, no cheese, please, and I think they'll have a good quarter. I can see the market's not as enthusiastic as I think it should be. It much prefers something like Darden, the parent of Olive Garden, with a stock that's behaving like you can't miss, because everyone supposedly wants to go out and never do the dishes again. Why am I so sure we're headed for a hybrid economy? First, I've heard it from a slew of executives in different industries, and that includes Jamie Dimon, the CEO of J.P. Morgan, who acknowledged this new mix of localese in his annual shareholder letter today, where, yes, he did talk about a boom through 2023. Listen to this. Some employees will be working under a hybrid model, e.g., some days per week in a location, the other days at home. He goes on. A small percentage of employees, maybe 10%, will possibly be working full-time from home for very specific roles. When you have many people working at J.P. Morgan, 10% is a big number. Now, Jamie Dimon is not saying this as a fan of remote work, just the opposite. He worries about companies losing their culture when people don't go into the office. J.P. Morgan relies heavily on an apprentice model to train people, and according to Jamie, that's impossible to replicate in the Zoom world. He doesn't like it, but he recognizes that there's no putting this genie back in the bottle.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.